I'm here with Doreen from Anchor Allied Factory LLC, and we are about to stick it to ya. Doreen, tell us, what are you doing here? What's happening? What am I holding?
He's holding a silicone and a silicone gun. So among the products that we have are, we have a line of silicones. We're manufacturers of silicone. We have epoxy flooring, we have waterproofing, we have adhesives, we have tapes. So we basically have almost everything in the range of construction, and also we're in the automotive industry. We sell a lot of accessories as well.
So why you and not anybody else?
Because one, our quality is top-notch and unmatched, straight from Dubai, but our products are made from Dubai, direct from UAE, and our prices are competitive because we know that's what everyone else is looking for in the market. So that is basically what sets us apart.
Awesome.
Quality, price.
And that is Doreen, and she said, stick it like glue. So speaking of which, hands up.
I surrender, guys. Welcome, please visit us.